How to fix unable to verify account name and password in MacBook Mail application. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's short video I'm going to teach you how you can fix unable to verify account name and password in MacBook Mail application. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, to fix this problem, first of all open the Mail application in your Mac. Now click on Mail over here in the top left menu bar and choose Settings. Now a mail window will appear on your screen. In it, select Accounts and then select the mail account you are having problem with. Then click on the minus icon below to remove it. After that, tap on Internet Accounts. In this page, you need to tap on Delete Account. Are you sure you want to delete this account? Tap OK to confirm. Now wait for some time and then click on plus icon over there and re-enter your email account. Select the mail service platform in which you want to log into your mail account. Now an internet browser will open. First, enter your email account over here. And then enter the password. Tap Continue. Here you need to select what MacBook can access in your mail account. In this page, make sure that the mail account is checked. If not, then check it. So this is my mail account that is now logged in here. So guys, after doing this, the unable to verify account name and password issue will be resolved in your Mac's Mail application. That's it. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.